This is Plum. Sun-warmed, jewel-dark, and picked at the exact moment plum flavor is at its peak. Feel that give? A perfect plum, sweet, bright, and clean. Every plot is counted. Every plum lot is traced, where it grew and it was picked.
Plum meets cold chain now. Chilled air protects plum color and plum aroma.
This plum protection, steady temperature, clean surfaces, and sealed pallets. Plum arrives the way plum was harvested, fresh, honest, ready.
Plum is on the move. From orchard dust to stainless steel, Plum's next breath is inside.
Welcome to the Plum Factory. Here, plum becomes product, but only after plum passes food safety.
Plum enters a controlled world. The factory separates clean and dirty paths, so plum stays safe from the first step.
Even plum movement is controlled. Clean zones protect plum from cross-contact. The path is designed so plum stays safe.
Now, real motion begins. Plum enters the wash system gently, because bruised plum becomes
Now cameras watch every plum in milliseconds. Clean plum in, clean decisions out.
So look at the plum flow, one continuous river. This is where plum becomes clean, controlled, and ready for precise sorting.
Sizing keeps plum uniform. Uniform plum means smoother pitting, cleaner slicing, and steadier quality, especially for freeze-dried plum.
These cameras read plum in milliseconds. Color, bruises, stem tears, even early decay.
Rejected plum never crosses back. 2 paths, 2 doors, so one bad plum never touches the clean plum stream again.
Now plum is portioned and controlled. The line gets exactly what it needs. Clean plum, measured plum, ready plum. This is the plum river we protect. Washed, seen, sorted. Clean plum moves forward with confidence.
Sorted plum becomes the input for precision machines. Next, plum will be trimmed, pitted, and
Plum moves fast, so people rotate tasks. Fresh focus keeps plum consistent, and consistency is safety. Every plum must arrive aligned. The machine doesn't rush. Plum is guided, spaced, and prepared for a clean split.
No pit fragments. Plum safety includes texture and trust, because one sharp piece can ruin plum jam and destroy freeze-dried plum quality.
After pitting, plum chooses its future. Plum jam for velvet texture, or freeze-dried plum for crisp, pure fruit.
For plum jam, texture is designed. We cut plum to the exact size, so every spoonful feels the same.
Plum safety is layered. Even tools are guarded, so only plum moves forward, nothing else.
Freeze-dried plum needs uniform slices. Even thickness means even drying, even crunch, and a true plum aroma.
Now plum is perfectly prepared. Chopped plum is ready for jam cooking, and sliced plum is ready for freeze drying. Preparation is where plum becomes reliable. Clean cuts, clean checks, clean flow.
Welcome to the heart of plum jam, where fresh plum becomes glossy, deep, and unforgettable.
Before cooking, plum and sugar rest together. This is maceration. Plum releases juice naturally. A touch of acid can sharpen plum brightness and help plum jam set safely. We don't guess. Plum pH is measured and controlled.
We track plum sweetness with bricks. This number guides everything: taste, shelf stability, and the final plum jam texture.
Plum pH is safety and structure. When plum pH is right, plum jam sets cleanly and stays safe on the shelf.
Plum changes with variety and ripeness. If plum needs support to gel, pectin is prepared carefully, smooth, measured, and ready.
This is where plum aroma rises, slowly, naturally. Maceration protects plum fragrance.
Plum jam isn't just numbers. We watch the ribbon, the shine. Plum jam is built on control. Spray out.
The foundation is set. Plum has released its juice, its color, its aroma.
Now plum jam begins its real transformation. We concentrate plum carefully so plum stays bright, not burnt.
Plum jam doesn't need brutal heat. We shape the temperature like a curve, enough to thicken plum, gentle enough to protect plum aroma.
Vacuum cooking lets plum jam boil lower and kinder. Plum color stays jewel deep, and plum top notes survive.
We want plum jam to spread, not pour. The ribbon tells us when plum is ready: soft, glossy, and controlled.
Color is plum's signature. If plum jam turns brown, plum flavor usually followed. We protect plum brightness by controlling heat and time.
This is the soul of plum, those bright notes. We keep them by never rushing plum.
Air steals plum. It oxidizes plum aroma and shortens shelf life. Deaeration keeps plum jam clean, glossy, and stable.
As plum jam nears target, we slow down. The last degrees and minutes. Plum jam is ready to leave the kettle. Still hot, still clean, and perfectly concentrated. Next,
We concentrated plum without burning plum. Thick, bright, alive, plum jam is ready for its final form.
Now plum becomes finished plum jam. Hot, clean, controlled, plum travels through sealed stainless pathways into the filler.
Before plum jam enters, every jar is cleaned and inspected. Plum deserves a clean home.
Exact weight, exact headspace. Hot fill protects plum jam, and precision protects plum flavor. Seal matters. A perfect cap protects plum jam even when plum is perfect. Torque and timing make the seal.
as plum jam cools, the vacuum forms. That tiny lid dip is plum safety. Sealed freshness locked in.
This step adds a safety margin. Time and temperature measured, recorded, and repeatable, so plum jam stays.
We look for uniform plum jam. No separation, no leaks, no mistakes. Plum is checked again, even after sealing.
Every jar carries Plum's identity, batch code, timestamp, and line ID. From orchard to jar, Plum stays traceable.
Plum jam is sealed, coated, protected. Plum is ready for storage and ready for customers.
From hot fill to pasteurization to a safe seal, plum jam is complete. Next, now we follow the other plum path, freeze-dried plum. Same fruit, new texture, pure plum aroma in a crisp bite.
Fast freezing protects plum. Smaller ice crystals mean plum holds its shape, and later, freeze-dried.
This is the quiet heart of freeze-dried plum. The machines look still, but inside, plum.
Uniform layers matter. One overlapped plum slice can dry unevenly. Freeze-dried plum quality begins with how plum is loaded.
Primary drying.
Under deep vacuum, ice doesn't melt. It sublimates. Plum ice becomes vague.
It's quiet because vacuum is quiet. But plum is changing every second.
Structure holding, no collapse.
Primary drying removes ice. Next, secondary drying lowers the last traces of water. Primary drying removes ice. Secondary drying removes the last bound moisture, so freeze-dried plum stays crisp and stable.
Now the chamber opens, but only in dry air. Freeze-dried plum meets humidity and soft. We look for the plum signature, jewel color, no scorch, and that clean snap. Freeze-dried plum should... Moisture is quantity, water activity is behavior. Low awe keeps freeze-dried plum crisp and safe, so plum stays crunchy in the pack.
Conditioning makes every plum bite match. One batch, one texture, so freeze-dried plum feels the same from first pack to last.
Packaging is the shield. High barrier film blocks moisture and oxygen, so freeze-dried plum stays crisp and aromatic. Nitrogen protects plum aroma. Desiccant protects plum crunch. Together, they keep freeze-dried plum exactly as intended. Plum stays traceable here too. Every pack tells you when this plum was dried, packed, and sealed.
Now Plum reaches the final chapter, Plum jam and freeze-dried plum move into clean storage, organized, traced, protected.
Plum quality hates time, heat, and dirt. So we watch temperature, humidity, and cleanliness, quietly, continuously.
Even movement is controlled. Plum jam and freeze-dried plums stay separated from risk. Clean paths, clear rules.
If anything looks off, Plum is held. One weak link can break the Plum promise, so we isolate first and investigate fast.
Before shipping, we review everything. Plum jam pH and bricks, sanitation records, freeze-dried plum awe and moisture.
Plum leaves in order, by route, by batch, by rules. Traceability stays with Plum until the very last mile. Plum is protected even in transit. Sealed doors, logged conditions, and careful loading so Plum arrives exactly as intended. From raw plum to gloss plum jam, from fresh plum to crisp freeze-dried plum, this
Plum is unforgettable when every step is clean, measured, and cared for. That is the Plum promise.